Good evening, this is Ken Long from Tortoise Capital Management with a review of a typical pattern using the washout pattern and Bank of America on the evening of June 27th, 2011. So this file is WO, or washout, 2011, year 2011, 0627, June 27th. BAC, Bank of America, is the symbol, and it's a frame, so it's going to describe the preparation for tomorrow's trading plan. So the main idea of the washout pattern is that we're buying things that are horrible and then have become not quite so horrible. And so the setups are yesterday, it was oversold on an annual basis, and you can see Williams percent R260, it was oversold. And yesterday it was oversold on Williams percent R10. And it was below the minus 80 line. And then today is a setup day because it meets three criteria. It has a higher low than yesterday. It's a white candle, so the close is greater than the open. And it closed 5 cents above yesterday's high. So that creates the setup day. We look back for previous swing highs. The obvious one comes out here at about 11.9. We're going to set up the swing low as the initial risk. You can see we have 2-to-1 initial risk. Wouldn't surprise me to see it get up eventually to the 200-day moving average and close this gap from this last sell-off, but that's for another day. We wouldn't be surprised to see it halting or hesitating at 11.25, and consistent with the washout pattern, we would take that. So because today is a washout setup day, we're stalking it with the blue line. The red line is the next line we draw. That's the swing low risk. Mechanical entry is the green line. Look for the first obvious resistance line here. Plot a couple other price targets. We see 2-to-1. So we're prepared to take tomorrow's trade at, looks like about at 10.95 with about a 40-cent risk. Bank of America's standard deviation is 11 cents. So there's plenty of room for this to be traded intraday with advantage to try to get a better price than the green line. So we'd be prepared for that using frog techniques. That's the washout pattern and the washout frame. Thanks for your attention.